The first thing to do is to go to the browser and enter getcapte.com. Then, we click on Start a Free Trial. Next, you can log in or add your account. I will create an account. Then, you click on Let's Start. We want to add subtitles. You see that you have 3 days of free trial and you can do whatever you want for 3 days. Then, you add your file. After that, it will be displayed like this. Make sure these 2 options are enabled. Then, once the download is finished, click OK to start the processing. Then you will appear here. You click on your video, and you can start editing. I delete the title because I don't want it. Then we will move that. And you can make many other modifications like we can change the writing theme, and I prefer Hormozy font style. And you can make many other modifications like adding a logo or even your own if you want. You can also resize it like this. As I said, you can import your own image. Make sure everything is correct. Then, if your edit is not added, you can refresh on the website. You can go back. Once you're done, you click on Share, and the loading will begin. This may take some time. Then, you see that it's finished, and that everything was done correctly. Next, you can go to the Download button, and you see that your file is there. I open it, and you see that everything is correct. So, my video is ready to be posted.